guys, welcome back to my channel. How you doing? How's it going? By the way guys, you know, most of the time when you go for a trip or something and maybe you've forgotten your toothbrush and your toothpaste, what is your hack? What is the hack? For example, you're going to the Mara and maybe you didn't carry your toothbrush. Sometimes things happen. You forget. Today I'm going to teach you a new hack. Okay, there's something there but I'm going to teach you a new hack of using the actually charcoal to brush your teeth. Cool. Let me teach you a hack and you'll see it. It will work for you whenever you go for an outing. So let's go and do this.
Just wanna see some walking. Show me that you mean what you say. Hey, there's a lot of people fronting, but I know they're hiding something, trying to keep their demons at bay. Hey, if you wanna get it moving, you had better get to proving. Loyalty don't come overnight. While you're looking at the menu, I won't be wondering when you finally go to take your first bite. 'Cause I
fancy though guys, but it will heighten my teeth. The charcoal is used for whitening teeth. Funny those days that there were no toothpaste, although there is a new brand called Colgate. They have brought a charcoal brand. This is not a paid sponsorship, but there is a way. If you don't have the Colgate charcoal, you can always use the actual coal to heighten your teeth. It is really working. Then you gargle your teeth with water. Guys, look at my teeth. Is white, very white. My teeth. Go try it and you tell me it will work. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.
Talk about forever. Sometimes it makes me wanna sever. It's too soon to play me that way. Hey, now you know I ain't that easy, but I know you wanna please me. Maybe you should try disobey. 'Cause I already know what I wanna do to you the moment I get next to you. Can see your body talking to me, feel your body popping through.